Good afternoon all. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I am Manoranjan Sahoo, the NPTEL Cloud Computing Top Topper 5% from CBO Global University. Today I am going to solve the programming in Python week 3 assignment 3 solution July October 2024 batch, and which due date is 21 September 2024. Okay, let's start solving the questions. Assignment number 3 July 2024. Here 10 questions are given. We will solve the 10 questions one by one. So let's start the first questions. Which of the following is the correct first step to install Anaconda on a Windows operating systems? 4 options are given. Out of 4 options, option B is the right answer, because download the Anaconda installer from the official Anaconda website. Okay. See, the first step to install an Anaconda on a Windows operating system is to download the appropriate installer from the official Anaconda website. Here is the explanations. Once downloaded, you can run the installer to install Anaconda on your computer. Okay. So here option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 2. What does syntax in computer programming refer to? Okay. What does syntax computer programming refer to? Here, the rule that control the structure of the symbol, punctuations, and word. Okay. That tends to the syntax. See, syntax in computer programming refers to the rules that defines the correct structure of the symbol, keyword, and punctuation used in writing the code. It is ensure that the code is written in a way that the compiler or interpreter can understand. So option B is the right answer, which is the rules that control the structure of the symbol, punctuations, and words. Moving to the question number 3, which of the following is a valid Python identifier? What is an identifier? Identifier is simply a name. Okay. So here in question number 3, option C, that is variable underscore name, that is the right answer. C. We will move to the explanation part. A valid Python identifier must start with a letter or an underscore. Okay, and can be followed by letters, digits, or underscore, or variable underscore name. Okay, follows these rules while the other options do not. So there is a specific rules while writing the valid identifiers. So variable underscore name, option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4. What is a variable in programming? What is a variable? Variable is simply a name. So here variable is a reserved memory location associated with a name to store a value that can be changed. Okay. So a variable in a programming is named storage location in a memory that can hold a value. Okay. So which can be modified during the execution of a program. 3 things is required. Okay. Data type, variable name, and value. Data type, okay, variable name and value. So option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 5. Which of the following is a mutable data type in Python? So what do you mean? First of all, what is a data type? Data type is at the time of declaring a variable, you need to specify a type, that which type of data is to be stored at the time of executing a program. That is called a data type. So here in Python, list is a mutable data type. Option 5B is the appropriate answer. C. In Python, a list is a mutable data type, meaning its contents can be changed after it is created. That is, items can be added, removed, or modified. Okay. But here, another 3 things, that is tuples, strings, and integer are immutable data type. Okay. So answer B is the correct answer. Okay. Moving to the question number 6. How the strings represented in Python? How the strings represented Python? Okay. The strings represented using the single or double quotation mark. Okay. Single or double quotation marks. See, string in Pythons are a sequence of characters enclosed within a single quote or double quotation mark. So question number 6, option C, using single or double quotation mark, is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7. Which arithmetic operators in Python is used to perform a floor division? Perform a floor division. 7, option C is the right answer, // here. Why? We will give a little bit explanation. This operator, // operator in Python is used for floor division. So, which divides two numbers and returns the largest integer less than or equal to the quotient. So, this operator is used to perform the floor division, which is 7, option number C. Moving to the question number 8, which of the following identity operator in Python checks if two variables points to the same objects? Here we can take each identity operator. Which operator? Each identity operator. Okay, this is equal to, this is not, and this is not equal to, and each operator, identity operator in Python checks if two variables point the same objects. See, question number 8 explanation is the each operator in Python checks if two variables reference the same object in the memory, meaning they point to exact same locations. So C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9, which bitwise operator in Python is used to perform a binary AND operation? A binary AND operations. Binary AND operation is simple. This operator. Okay, we have to see its explanations. The binary AND operator is used in Python to perform a bitwise AND operations, which compares two bits of two numbers, and returns a number whose bits are set to 1 only where both compared bits are 1. So this operator is used in Python to perform a binary AND operation. This operator. Okay. 9, option number C. Moving to the last question, that is, what does the bitwise operators do in the Python? So especially it is a left shift the bit operator of a number. Left shift the bits of a number. See, the last question, the bit operator in Python is used to left shift the bits of a number. Itself, all the bits of the number to the left by the specified number of a position. By the specified number of a position, effectively multiplying the number by 2 for each shift position. So left shift the bits of a number. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay. So we have submitted or answered all the questions. Question number 1, B. Question number 2, also B. Question number 3, C. Question number 4, B. Question number 5, B. Question number 6, C. Question number 7, option is C. Question number 8, option C. Question number 9, option C. And also question number 10, option C. Now I'm going to click the submit answer button. Okay. What shows to me your answer has successfully submitted. Okay. See guys, assignment submitted on date 17 August 2024 and this time is given. Okay. Thank you for taking the assignment 3 July 2024. Okay. So we successfully submitted all the answer here guys, and very soon I am trying to solve the week 4 assignment questions. Okay, very soon. And if you like my video, I hope you will definitely subscribe my channel, like and share this video to the others so that the other people can get help by seeing this video. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.